Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with simple, immediate actions. Wash your hands and use a microfiber cloth to remove dust so the magnets seat cleanly. Once done, remove any non-Magsafe case and line up the camera cutout with the phone. Then place the case so the Magsafe ring faces the phone and start at the bottom edge. Press upward in one smooth motion. This first contact lets the magnet self-center and prevents misalignment or trapped debris that blocks charging. After initial placement, make sure you hear or feel a firm snap. That's the magnets aligning and the case centering on the Magsafe array. Next, inspect the edges. They should be flush and evenly seated, so press lightly around the perimeter to eliminate any lifted corners. Then plug in a Magsafe charger or place phone on a compatible wireless pad to verify charging starts. This confirms coil alignment. If charging is intermittent, remove the case and reseat to avoid misalignment or trapped particles. To finish, press all sides and buttons to ensure the case fully snaps into place and that the camera and ports remain unobstructed. Once secured, attach your Magsafe charger and move the phone slightly to test magnet strength under normal use. The phone should stay centered. Finally, verify accessory compatibility like wallets or stands. If charging doesn't work, stop and check for lint or metal shavings, confirm the case is Magsafe compatible, and restart the phone before trying again. That often resolves false alignment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.